channel. Today we are going to unbox some more things.
What's the channel?
I don't know, is it or so? I don't know which one.
Yeah.
Is it unbox? There's no box.
Unplasticking.
Unpacking maybe?
Unpacking?
Eh,
Getting stuff out of other stuff?
I'll get a random one.
Sige na, go.
Surprise! It's flowers. What is this? Shirt? I'm lost.
I'm sure.
Ah, okay.
Sige, latag mo lang.
Basically flowers.
Flowers, sleeves,
Price
thing.
20.
The price was 20. Before it was more than 20.
It's a rabbit.
Let me see. It
Alis
used to
mo
be
dun.
35. It used to be
Alis
35.
mo dyan sa, ano.
Really low.
Yan, dyan. Lagay mo dyan.
What's the next item, Janelle?
Random!
You don't
Alisin
need
mo
to say
naman dyan.
random.
Huwag mo yan, side. Bigyan mo lang.
Oof. Okay, let's see what's here. More flowers. What a surprise. We're having a little garden under.
Gaganin mo.
Oh, okay. Wow.
I'm gonna get the flowers one first.
more flowers.
Sige, okay.
Big garden of things. It used to be more than 25, but now it's 25. Good deal.
Alis mo dyan.
What's the next
Part
item?
in the garden. Move.
Okay, bilis lang nga. 10 minutes lang kayo.
More gardens? No way. Let's see.
That's the end of the garden. I can't find any other flowers.
Okay, there are no more flowers. We got 3 flower items. This one is green.
Gaganin mo para makita.
Okay.
Okay, next.
Shut up. Never mind.
Okay na. Dito na.
Okay. Right, good. Shut up. No, never mind. Okay, here you go. Pink? Really?
Yes.
Wow,
Right.
pink.
Not even nice.
That was sad. I think I suggest wearing this with an extra shirt inside.
Oh, gusto nyo.
Very
Okay, dito.
nice.
For next item.
Pink.
Yan. Are you selling?
Maybe. Oh, these ones are pants, actually.
Why are you selling your...
Black pants. Botone. Close enough. Sorry.
Alright, next thing is black and white. No, wait. This black.
Isa mo kay Kuya
No,
Bill.
I don't know what I'm doing.
Okay, bisa mo. Bisa mo kay Kuya.
Excuse me, son. Hand it over. Yeah, we did a little trade. What's over here?
Janelle, labas mo na lahat yung item mga isa-isa.
Wham! Marble.
Oh, Choy, ganun mo.
This. Wow, so cool. This part's like camouflage, but also black, but also there's a symbol on it, and everything else has marble.
Okay, cool.
It's cool.
Okay, next.
I like it.
Something.
Good design. Something.
20.
Interesting. Numbers.
Ganun mo nga.
Wow.
Baba mo konti, baba mo konti. Yan, ganyan lang ha.
Wow. Okay, great. So over here it says 83 and it says free. Oh, free since 1983. Got it.
Okay. Now, the last 2 things are just mine.
Pabilisan mo.
Fantastic. Okay, what's the
Call.
deal? Call.
Nice try.
Choy, gaganin mo muna.
Nice try. Janelle was a nice try.
Okay, sige. Nice try, Janelle.
It used to be not 10, but now it's 10.
Oh, David. Ito ko na.
Hand it over. What do we got here?
Pakita mo.
Hold on, let me see.
We found another max clothes.
I'm surprised. This is better than what I can draw. Wow. Okay, wow.
What?
it?
This is yours.
People, what does it say?
It says you
Okay.
can find inspirations every day.
Yeah, what did you get to be inspired by this?
Actually, I do get it.
Next. Thank you, you know?
Hey,
We
that's not
got-
part of the new stuff.
It isn't?
Yeah.
Well,
Sige, pakita.
There's no price tag. It's free.
it used to be
It's free.
Yeah, free.
it used to be 30, now it's 20. Totally real, did not
No clue.
did not
Before it
fabricate.
was negative 10.
Well, okay. What's next?
Oh.
We
Hey, give that to me.
no.
It
It's
says
part-
I'm so cute.
Suot mo.
Ugh.
Yeah.
Okay, great.
Okay, great.
What's next? I bet this one has a price.
Is it?
Yeah, it does. That was an accident. Okay, what's here? Star Wars. May the Force be with you.
Cool.
I actually really like the design of the ship, but if I were to draw it, I'd get stuck on this part.
Okay.
Scaled Wars.
It
Close enough. Just the poster shooting each other.
looks like a long sleeve. No, his pants.
This looks like a long
Hey,
sleeve.
wait,
oh,
wait.
his pants.
Wait, why is this in the plastic? There's all
Long sleeve.
also.
Okay na.
Yeah. I just forgot to say the price. It was 20. Before it was more than
Do
20.
you know? Right here it says handmade.
It does.
Yeah, here.
So, next item, bilisan nyo ha.
Okay.
Yeah, we're doing great. Hand it over to you now.
Dude.
What do we got? It's blue. That's a good sign. It's plain. That's okay.
It's only 10 na mo. Wow.
Wow, it's only 10. You know, if you want something to wear,
Go to Max.
you'll get good prices.
Uy, bilisan mo.
And you'll get good stuff.
In America, that's like, I don't know, $3. Is that true?
I don't
$3. More than $3.
Okay, next man shield.
If it's 3 Catorials for $1, then it's like $3. Okay, for this one, it's Captain Shield guy. Don't know.
Captain America.
No, it's Captain Shield guy.
Oh.
Or maybe it's a coin. Who knows?
Pag-aalis ka, may damit ka
Ooh,
na
I
ha.
found this
It's a
shirt.
big coin.
I found the shirt called Stretch.
Sure, she's called Stretch. Let's put that to the test, shall we? This didn't work.
And why is it called Stretch?
Oh, I saw this one at the shop actually.
So,
Stitchers?
Do not enter.
and we
Stitchers.
can't enter people.
I think yeah. Do not enter. Do not enter.
You will not enter a building.
Wait, what? It's 15. That's good. If things are like 10, that's like $4.
No context to that.
I don't live in America. And it would actually be $15 in America. Let's see.
That's 25?
Yes, sir.
How much is the previous price?
More than 25. 39? 39. What do we got here, do you know? I don't see the price tag of this one. What is it here?
No spoilers.
Okay, it looks like it's just mostly words on this. So I'm gonna read them out to you. If you can't read. Spore. I can't read. Spont.
Sports. Whatever. Ano?
Whatever. Shirts are for wearing, not for reading. Okay, here we go.
Shirts are for wearing.
Blue.
Plastic.
Blue. Oh, I love to wear plastic. That's my favorite. It's large, it's regular, and it's 25.
House.
So that's like, I don't know, $10.
House.
$10.
25?
Yeah, never mind. It's not a house.
This is like $11.
Big enough.
What's this?
Wala na kayo item.
Don't try that at home. Don't try that at the supermarket either.
I heard that could break your bones.
Finally, this one.
Oh, this your next item. No?
This isn't clothes. We need to stop doing that. Okay, what's next?
Wait, I need to go upstairs. Let me go first.
Bilisan mo dyan eh. 2 minutes na lang.
I'm just gonna find the other.
Oh,
Wait, what should I do about the paper?
oh, here we go.
Fine.
Oh,
I don't think you can wear this one actually. Alright, what do we got here? Mom shoes. It's white, it's
Blank.
something, 39.
how many shoes would you... Oh, bigyan mo kay kuya.
Paper? Paper.
Oh.
Fancy. Clock.
Next, bigyan mo yung sa Choy.
Blackie.
Go. Ooh. Good for stepping.
Don't step on the bed.
Well, we didn't step on anything.
I literally, mom said if it was nice and I said no. Because there's not enough design.
On the
Total ang price, how much?
It's on the shoebox. 90.
90?
Yeah.
90?
I don't know, maybe there was a sale on the box, but...
This is my shoes.
Oh, yes. She found this at the store, and she couldn't find the other. So
But
we
then-
went back again, and there was...
Okay, this is not working.
Are you telling me this doesn't fit the poop?
No,
What
it
is this
doesn't.
here? What is this here? I don't see the price. It is 69. Nice.
Oh,
Yeah.
sige ba yung box na?
Ooh, this is quality plastic.
Oy, time's up na.
Okay.
Ah, yes. Well, that was our review. We got a lot of stuff for selling these shirts. 1 billion each. Link in the description. No, there isn't. See you guys in the next one. Bye.
Ow.
This is mine now.